absolutely love using ManiQ, especially when it's just a soft gel client. And like you
Okay.
said, it's a 3 base. It's what most people are used to: base, color, top coat. But like you said, you need to sometimes apply more than one layer of the
Yeah.
color. I actually like this because like we've established with Go Time the last time, the the thinner the gel is, the better it cures. I'll rather apply 2 to 3 layers of a thin layer of gel, and I know that my gel is cured straight through properly instead of adding one thick layer of gel. And ManiQ actually makes this so simple for us because it's so thin in consistency. It does not create bulk. It does
Okay.
not dry. So step one would be our base. Step two would be your color, and step three would be your ManiQ top coat, which in this range we've got two of. We've got a ManiQ top and we've got a ManiQ matte. The one is shiny and the one is not. Let's start off with the white and then we'll do something different on top. There we go. I like using this white especially on toes. On toes you don't really want to build any bulk. Okay, let me show you. Here's my first layer. Please just keep in mind that I am swatching this on a clear tip. So on a natural tip, it shows off a bit darker. I'll put my finger underneath there so that you can see. It's so nice and thin in consistency, but yet still pigmented. And because it's Easter, let's do something with a little design on here. Okay, I'm gonna go with the indigo.
Yes, please. The indigo is epic.
Can I tell you that this is a favorite color to paint my Frenches with?
No way.
Actually, yes. Like when people want like a bluish grey color, I like to paint my Frenches with indigo. I do need to do 2 layers though, just to make sure that the color is nice and, you know, pigmented. Right. But it's absolutely beautiful. This is 1 layer, guys. Look at that.
It's insane. That thing is sick. I love that color. That thing is just great. And then of course my other favorite one is bromance. It's just...
excuse me, I couldn't hear you nicely. Bromance.
The bromance, yeah. Bros. All the bros, man. Bromance.
I'll have to check it out.
Go check it out.
I'll have to check it out.
It's a great favorite color, so it's kind of weird. Okay, so... Anyway, right, where we at? You've got the white. The white is cool.
Okay, it's the white. I'm doing my second layer. There we go. And like I said, guys, this does have a sticky layer, an inhibition layer. So don't touch the nail in between surfaces. Please ask your clients to also not touch towels, fluffs.
Yeah, their towels, their jackets.
Their sweaters, their face.
Yes, don't put their hands in their pocket to take out their phone. All of those things.
Nothing like that. So yes. I know we had a question about the white. And I hope you are still watching. Please just have a look at how easy that was and how it's self-leveled. Guys, this is so important when using soft gel. It's important to apply it smoothly and evenly so that you don't have an uneven surface by the time you cure your top coat. Okay, I'm back at my indigo color. This color I want to do a little design on for you guys, just to spoil you. And I want to do it on top. I'm going to use our ManiQ matte.
Okay.
And I'm now going to apply it over the indigo. I want you to just see that this matte does not look matte when you apply it. It actually looks a little bit milky. Also just a thin layer, nothing more needed. There we go, and I'm going to pop it in there for 60 seconds. It's a full cure. Right. On my white nail, I'll be using ManiQ Top.
Okay. The gloss one. You're going to use the gloss?
The top, yes, the gloss one. So that you guys can see the difference between our gloss and our matte. There we go. Today, but yes, this is a nice and sweet service, short service for your clients as well. It does not take long, and especially on clients with naturally strong nails, or like I said, if you want to enhance the strength with some fiber gel, this goes quick and easy. And yes, there's my little design today.
Oh wow, it's a 3-step gel polish first of all, which means you need a base, then your color, and then manicure top, right? The second thing is it is a soft gel, so it will soak.
It's a soft gel.
Okay, you can put it onto the natural nail with no issues, right? It's kind of like what I guess lots of people are used to. There's a base, there's a color, there's a top. That can get applied to the natural nail. You still have to follow the same preparation process that you would follow for any of our other products. If you are using predominantly acrylic or our Synergy gel product, you can still put manicure on top of that.
But it is absolutely, it's really nice to apply the manicure over any enhancement. Zube, it really is, because it does not add any thickness or bulk to your set, and that's what makes it so lacquer.
Yeah, it's such a nice product to work with. The color range is amazing, and it's incredible. I remember